Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the Crescendo model out in Sunstone, one of Trilogy's home plans. And this is a condo, 3-story, for this 55 and older community, and it has an elevator. What? Yes, an elevator. I didn't go up the elevator because I was so enamored by the big windows that I decided to take the stairs and go up and just enjoy the natural light. This is just over 2,700 square feet. It is a 2 to 3 bedroom. You can choose to do a 3 bedroom. This is shown as a 2 bedroom with a den and 2.5 baths with a 2-car garage. Now, I want you to enjoy this floor plan. It's beautiful, and drop what you think in the comments. So Trilogy is located out in Sunstone, which is an active adult community, and they have a lot of amenities for our active adult residents. So there are pickleball, there is a restaurant going to be on board, and also walking trails, a pool, parks, dog parks. So if you are 55 and older and looking for an active adult community, this might just be the spot for you. Again, this is the Crescendo model, and prices are starting from $615,000 for this particular floor plan. I hope you enjoyed our tour for the day, and if you're looking to buy, sell, or just invest in real estate, please feel free to give me a call, and I'll talk to you guys next week.